Hi, my name's Sam Langrich. I'm product manager for Arcadia Fifth Wheels. We're excited today to show you the 288SLBH. It's in our super light lineup. Short, light, and ready to camp on your weekends. How short is it? Let's give you some stats on this unit. The total length of the 288SLBH is 32 foot 8 inches from front pin to bumper. The average dry weight is around 8,800 pounds depending on what options you select. That's going to give you over a 2,000 pound carrying capacity. So this is the perfect unit for a light duty truck and to do your weekend camping. This new Arcadia Superlight 288 SLBH was first shown at the Tampa RV show and had a lot of excitement by customers. So let's get inside and show you some of the highlights. Here we are inside the 288 SLBH. Now remember, we're focused on this floor plan, specifically length and weight. So we're going to try and give you as much usable and functional features in this product while still keeping it short and light. And we start that right when you walk in the door. On your left hand side when you walk in, you're going to see we've given you convenient shoe storage, a little cubby so you can get all of those shoes out of the way and not in the hallway. Right above the shoe storage area, you have two convenient drawers for your kitchen. In the top one, we've put a drawer in a drawer function. When you pull it out, you'll see you have a top sliding drawer that's used for your utensil area. And those panels and dividers are removable so you have flexible storage depending on what you want to put in that area. Now as you get around the kitchen area, you'll see our really nice, what we call our coat bench. Convenient location to put your coats, also to set down and put your shoes on. Moving into the living room area, standard in all of our Arcadias is a booth dinette that has the dream function to make it into a bed, or you can option in the freestanding dinette that will give you a table with 4 chairs. Next to that, you have a convenient theater seat that also has an option where if you need more sleeping capacity, you can put in a trifold sofa in place of that theater seat. When you get to the kitchen area for your cooking, new for 2023, all of our refrigerators are 12 volt. Now what's the big highlight in the kitchen area? It's the pantry. When you first walk in, you say there's no way this has a pantry. Let me show you our hidden pantry that's conveniently located behind your entertainment center. Storage, large shelves from ceiling to floor, and a convenient light that's switched on the wall so you can turn it on and off without having to reach to the ceiling. Now moving out of the kitchen into the bunk area, we have 2 oversized bunks with your nice bunk pads. Now oversized is going to allow you to sleep 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom, so in the bunk area alone, you have a sleeping capacity of 4. Now if you add the sofa in place of the theater seat, there's another 2, and you can sleep 2 in the booth dinette. So in this area alone, you can sleep up to 8 people or 8 children if you would choose. That doesn't even include the main master bedroom. Now keep in mind the sleeping capacity of 10 is really unheard of in this industry, especially in something with this length and this weight. Moving up into our bathroom area, you'll have a spacious area with a large shower. Most brands, where they'll cut corners, is they'll squeeze you into a much smaller shower than our 48 by 30 shower, so keep that in mind. Let's move up to the master suite. In all of our super light floor plans and models, you'll find a wardrobe slide. That's going to give you a lot of wardrobe and drawer storage that other brands just don't provide. And then when you get to the master bed, a 7-inch thick Serta mattress will let your nights sleep well. Also, when you lift that up, you've got abundant storage below the mattress and under the bed. With our front leaning cap that is unique to Arcadia, the overhead cabinets don't feel like you're laying in a coffin when you lay down for your night's sleep. That forward cap puts those cabinets forward and not over the top of you that other brands can't do. So that is a unique feature to the Arcadia front bedroom. Now that we've seen the inside of the 288, we're going to hit some of the highlights of this floor plan on the exterior. Some of the great useful features is the outside kitchen. Most brands make the mistake of locating their outside kitchen beyond the awning. Not the case with the 288. Your outside kitchen is conveniently located right beneath your awning so that you can utilize it in the rain or the sun and have the benefit of the awning being over your head. Other items that's unique to the 288 is storage. The rear storage compartment is not on most floor plans, but because of the rear bunks on the 288, you have a secondary large storage area under those bunks that's accessible from the outside, so make sure you see that. Another highlight of Arcadia floor plans is our all-in-one convenience center. Most convenience centers are located in your pass-through, where when you hook up your water, it sprays all over your belongings. Not the case on an Arcadia. Your standalone Nautilus control system is located where if you do have water that comes out of your hose, it's not going to get on anything. So that's just a couple of our highlighted features, but always remember on Arcadias, it's all about the foundation too. Dexter axles that are manufactured and assembled in the US. That joined with the Curt suspension that has thick shackle plates and wet bolts. No one else does that combination in our price point. And also that special front Curt hitch. Make sure you check the videos out on the actual road vibration system that allows it to be eliminated and stops your unit from being shaken apart. Thanks for taking the time and watching the video on this new 288 SLBH. Remember, if you have any other information that you didn't get from this video, go to our website, KeystoneRV.com, and also like and subscribe to our videos on YouTube.